Hello, happy Thursday. Hey guys. Hey everybody. I just wanted to talk to you about a couple things. I wanted to show you my son's project that he's working on for the Sierpinski's triangle, for the 3D Sierpinski's triangle. And he was complaining that he didn't want to do it because he said, I did this last year when you taught your sixth graders last year. And I was like, nah, you still have to do it. So I come home yesterday, or I don't know if it was yesterday or Tuesday. I think yesterday. But he had his headphones out, the plate out, the card stock out, all the parts. You see all the parts here that you need: scissors, pencil, tape, plate. He started making them. So he did all this yesterday, had his tunes going, has his circle showing, right? And this is what it looks like so far. He's going to build one more to go on top of this. So he has four little subunits. So that's three of them. But it looks nice, right? I mean, it's pretty great. So I was like proud of him. I was like, nice job. I'm glad he jumped in and started doing it. Just like all of you that are jumping in and getting into this thing, I'm excited for you. I think it's a fun project. And some of our kids have done some amazing things. Some of our fifth and sixth graders have done some really beautiful work. All right, so it's Rainbow Day. I just looked this up. It said that we're supposed to wear as a class a certain color, and I think my class is purple, but I think I failed to I can't remember if I told my class that they were to wear purple, so I got a feeling we're not going to do very good job at Rainbow Day, which is not good. But I'm going to look for purple, but I don't have it on now, so I've got a couple minutes to make the video and then look for purple. But Rainbow Day, our day, we have like 9 days left of school. I wanted to encourage you guys to work hard, get your con done, get your assignments done. I'm going to be putting in lots of grades over the next couple of days and over the weekend, trying to get most of grades updated before early next week. So the more you can get done, the better. Okay, in terms of bringing up your grade last at the end of the quarter here. All right. Now, last thing, we are going to do a new little assignment today because I know some of you have done this triangle thing already. So we're going to keep doing it. It's due on Friday, but I'm going to also give you one more project that I'd like you to do, and that's well, I better move this. That's this one right here. It's a pizza problem, and I'm going to bring this up. In this problem, it says in the before times, and it underlined that because it's wondering if I did that correctly, and I did. I meant the before times, BT, before times. Up until the quarantine for the pandemic, our family often spent Monday evenings at Leona's for half-price pizza night. So it was kind of like a tradition of ours. Not a tradition, but just, you could go over there. We'd eat out almost every Monday having pizza. It was nice. And so we haven't done it since. We still get the pizza sometimes, but we don't go and dine in. We don't go there. But my question about the pizza is, which option gets us more pizza? One 10-inch pizza or ordering two 7-inch pizzas? So these are the options, right? And the question is, which one's more? So the first thing I would ask from you is to think about how we would measure this. And my question for you is this an area or a perimeter problem, and why? So you don't have to answer that, just think about it. Is this an area or a perimeter problem, and why? So I'd like our teachers to pause this and let's see what people think. Okay, my hope is that you have figured out that in this case, if we're talking about which one, how do you get more pizza, right? It has to be an area problem because we're talking about surface. We're talking about how much coverage you get. So pizza is measured by kind of like the size, but also what's in the middle, like all of the stuff that's there. The perimeter doesn't matter so much, right? So when we measure a 10-inch pizza, we measure it across from one side all the way to the other. So the 10 inches doesn't mean a perimeter, it means the diameter, right? That's what 10 inches means. And if we order the 7-inch pizzas, it means we're talking 7 inches from there to there and another 7 inches from there to there. So there is a video in this linked into this document at the bottom, which shows you how to calculate the area of a circle. Now, I want to tell you a couple of things, and I'm going to help you a little bit here. So let's do red since it's pizza day, or since it's about pizza. Well, yeah, like sauce, right? So this dimension, the dimension across from here all the way to here, is called the diameter. All right, so that 10 inches is called the diameter. And that's a circle term, right? And the reason we're talking circles now is because we're doing circles with our triangles, right? It's related. So a diameter, and this is also a diameter, right? Diameter right here, the 7 inches. Now, in order to find the area of a circle, and I'm going to write that up here. I'm going to write area A, area of a circle. So we're going to say underneath, this is a circle area. That's A. You guys know that area always is A. The formula, there is a formula for it. The formula is pi, right, times, I put a dot, radius squared. And this is where I want you to watch that video. Now, radius, I'm going to put a little line here and say this is a radius. So radius squared, right, means you multiply radius times radius. The radius, and I'm going to say one more thing, is half of the diameter. So we're going to say this is 1/2 of the diameter. Okay? So that's the stuff you need for this one. So you need to know what pi is. And pi, I'm sure you guys know about pi a bit, but pi is a irrational number. It goes on forever. You use it with circles, but we're going to go with 3.14 for pi. 3.14. And Elliot just gave me the rest of it. He's like 3.14. He goes 159. Keep going. What is it? 6236. That all you got? Oh, he only got like 5 or what is it, 10 numbers. I think he used to know more, but it keeps going. But we just go with 3.14, and then you find the radius. Now the radius is the tricky part. If we know on these cases that the diameter is from one side to the other, and we know that the radius is half of that, you have to do some calculations and figure that out. So this is a calculation problem. But what I'd like you to do before you do anything in terms of calculations, I'd like you to say, what option do you think you get more of? Like, what would you do? Set 10 inches versus 7 inches. Look at the pictures. Think about it. Where do you think you get more pizza and why? Okay. All right. And then the next questions are I want you to do the calculations, answer the questions in the document. All right, my friends. I hope you have a good day. It's Rainbow Day. I hope I can go find some purple. And I want you to watch the other little video um, about. Sorry, Elliot was talking out there. The other little video about how to find the area of a circle, and that will help you kind of understand more just in this concept about like how it's kind of like the same as what we did when we do area of a rectangle. You know, the only difference now is you don't have straight lines, so that's where the pi comes in and the radius comes in. All right, kids, have a great day. Keep working on your this thing. Make sure that you turn that in. That's an important grade. Just like Sierpinski's triangle from last week, this one's a pretty important one. So keep working on this. Watch the videos again if you need more help, and have a great day. Bye, everybody.